just call it whatever.
Hi.
No, it's mine.
Rar.
I'm not even recording it, you know, we're just practicing.
It's still recording.
Oh, it's recording.
You didn't realize that?
No, I didn't realize that.
Like they're in the pumpkin patch.
Ah, don't want my fingers.
I'll bite your finger if I wanna bite your finger, because I'm a cannibal.
Citra, like
I'm weird.
they're in the
I am
pumpkin
weird.
patch.
We are both weird.
And we got matching earrings.
Look, Citra.
They can't see mine.
It's on your head.
It's all the other earrings.
It's like right there. See, hers is right there. Mine's right here. We are in the back of a moving vehicle and having a great time
The gray pumpkin.
while eating multicolored popcorn.
See,
Multicolored. There's orange,
pink,
pink,
yellow,
there's yellow. That tastes really great.
green.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even get to taste the green.
Did I already get a blue?
Blue.
Dude, you just put all those colors in your mouth.
Okay.
Did I give you a pink already? I gave you a pink already, correct?
What?
There's a blue one.
What were the blue one?
There's a blue one tastes like.
It tastes really good, like blueberries. When you eat them all together, it tastes really good. Like an orange pina colada.
Okay then.
There goes the green. You're supposed to put all of them in your mouth.
Oh my gosh.
That's because I'm evil.
Green.
It's a green. Don't chew it. Orange.
Orange.
I couldn't think of the color outside of that. Pink. Oh.
Purple.
Purple! Hand me a purple one.
Oh my gosh.
Purple because it's mine.
Pink.
Pink again. Blue.
Blue.
Don't forget a green.
I already put a gray on the
yeah, that's
mouth.
right.
Almost put one.
You already got an orange
Yellow.
and yellow. That's it.
Orange. Wait, I just did orange.
You already did orange. Put it back.
Oh my god.
Her face. It's really sweet. It's so sweet. As you can see, I don't know if it's right. It's backwards on here, but it's
Confetti popcorn.
confetti popcorn. I knew that.
It kind of tasted like a perfume.
If you could taste perfume, it tastes like that.
Like the smell kind of tastes like the smell.
It smells good and tastes good.
Okay then.
I don't know what else to say. Should we end it? We could.
Popcorn, everybody. Confetti popcorn. Try it.
Peace.
Good.